Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Dentistry World. Here now we are going to see about test for setting of gypsum. Okay, what is that? Test for setting of gypsum. First we will learn about what is setting time. Setting time is when the powder is mixed with any powder, that is plaster of Paris, dental stone, dye stone, any of the powder is mixed with water, and the time that elapses from the beginning of mixing until the material achieve hardness is known as setting time. That is, you may have done in plaster of Paris in first year. So when the powder is taken and adequate amount of water is added to it, in some time the material get hard. That is, the time travels from powder to solid, that is material get hard, is known as the setting time. Okay, now test for setting of gypsum are loss of gloss test for initial set, initial Gilmore test for initial set, Weichel test for setting time, Gilmore test for final set. Now loss of gloss test, that is for initial set. As reaction proceed, some of excess water is taken up in forming the dihydrate so that mixed losses is gloss. Now I am explaining that if in dental stone, we have, for example, we have taken the dental stone. In dental stone, if the excess water is added, the material get changes of color, that is that green color to faded green color. Okay, it occurs approximately 9 minutes. When 9 minutes loss of gloss test, it occurs approximately at 9 minutes. Okay, next initial Gilmore test, that is for initial set. Smallest Gilmore needle is not most frequently used for dental cements, but sometimes in gypsum products also. So this is mostly used in dental cements, but sometimes they are used in gypsum products also. You understand? Mixture is spread out and the needle is placed at low on the surface. The time at which no longer leaves, that is the material get hardened, so no longer leaves the impression called as initial set or initial Gilmore. Here the time is 30 minutes. Okay, here 9 minutes, here 30 minutes. Actually there are two Gilmore needles, one is small and other one is large. Here the small Gilmore needle was used. Okay, understand this. Mixture is spread out, the dental cement or anything that is spread out, and the needle is placed at lower on the surface. The time at which no longer the impression called as leaves the impression called as initial set or initial Gilmore. Here the what the time is 30 minutes and here it is 9 minutes. Okay, and see in this picture, that is left side smallest Gilmore needle is present and it is used in initial Gilmore test, most frequently used for dental cements but sometimes in gypsum product also. So here down the mixture is spread out and the needle is placed at lower on the surface. Okay, then the time at which no longer leaves, that is it becomes hardened, leaves the impression called as now it is Weichel test for setting time. The instrument, that is Weichel penetrometer, was used. The needle with the weighted plunger rod is supported and held just in contact with the mix. Soon after gloss is lost, the plunger is released. So the time elapsed no longer penetrates to bottom of mix is known as setting time. And now you can't understand. Right, I will show the picture and you can understand it more. Okay, next is Gilmore test, that is for final set. Use of heavier Gilmore needle, elapsed time at which this needle leaves only a barely perceptible mark on the surface called final setting time. Okay, so this is a Weichel penetrometer, was used in Weichel test for setting time. The needle with a weight and plunger rod, that is upside the needle it is present, held just in contact with the mix, that is a bowl-like structure that is present down the needle. It is just held contact with the mix. Soon after gloss is lost, the plunger is released. I hope understand. That is the setting time is referred to as time elapsed no longer penetrates the bottom of mix is known as setting time. Hope you all understand. And in right side, the presence of large Gilmore needle, it is for Gilmore test, that is for final set. Okay, this use of heavier Gilmore needle elapsed time at which this needle leaves only a barely perceptible mark on the surface called final setting time. Understand? I hope you will understand what I have shared with you. So if you like this video and understand somewhat, you can subscribe my channel for the written gift of me and click the bell icon that is present side of the subscription. You may know what the video I have posted, that will come into your notification, so you can see this and share it to your friends. Let them know about this video and see you in next video that is coming shortly. Enjoy this, enjoy the dentistry. Okay, bye then.